SolidCAM's toolkit offers several useful visualization tools, all of which can be accessed at the upper right corner of the toolkit dialog box. First, we have the Machine Preview. Clicking this button displays the Machine Preview window. This window enables us to visualize the tool assembly, also known as the tool item, and its schematic position relative to the machine coordinate system and in connection with the machine devices without entering SolidCAM's machine simulation mode. Next, we have the Show Hide Tool picture. Clicking this button shows or hides the Tool Viewer window, where we can visualize a 3D model representation of the tool item. This window dynamically displays the mounting and joint coordinate positions of the selected component in the tool item tree. When we select our cutter component, the end mill in this case, its cutting point is displayed as well. This window also enables us to view the tool item in different orientations and display styles. We can take measurements of various geometrical elements, and there's even a handy option here to save as STL. Lastly, we have the Show Hide tool near mouse. Clicking this button toggles on or off a 3D graphic representation of the tool item in the SOLIDWORKS graphics area for performing a visual tool check. The displayed tool item follows the cursor when moving the mouse. It can be dynamically zoomed and rotated together with the CAD model using the SOLIDWORKS view orientations and manipulations. The toolkit visualization tools can be used to facilitate, preview, and check your tool definitions. Any changes that you make are updated instantaneously and can be viewed on the fly.